In just 1 minute, let's learn important functions of Excel.
Conditional formatting is where we want Excel to format something based on certain conditions, right? So if certain conditions are fulfilled, do this. Let's take an example. If in this particular range, we want the cells to be highlighted for good, let's say green format, for bad, red color, and for poor, orange color. So what we do is we select this range, we go to conditional formatting, or we can press Alt plus O and D. Conditional formatting, new rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Select this. Here we need to insert the formula is equal to, if this cell, this is E9, right? So if E9 is equal to quotes good, then format green. Okay. So what we are saying is we are giving a cell value. Just remember, this should not be freezed. Okay, it should be E9 only. There should not be any dollar signs. If there will be a dollar sign here, this cell would get freezed and it will copy the format on all the cells irrespective of the condition, right? So just remove the dollar sign. It should be E9 is equal to good. Okay. Now it has applied the formula on the entire range which we had selected, right? So wherever there is good, it is automatically reflecting green. Now we want to add one more condition saying that if it is bad, right? So new rule, again select E9 is equal to, let's say if it is bad, then format it as red. Okay. Okay. Apply. Cool. So everywhere it is red now. Again, new rule is equal to E9 is equal to poor. Then format it, let's say orange. Okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. So, and if we just delete the value, it will go off. Clear? Very easy.
You can download this sheet from the link given in the description box. Do check out the next video to learn the next function. Thank you.